So beautiful now. And every year, chrysanthemum flowers are displayed here, but maybe in November. So according to the website, not now. So next month I will do the tour again. Okay, so this is a Chinese architecture. So that's why I said before, and it's a lion or something, and it's made of the granite, it says. And in China, very famous city, Renwunko, the city's name. Maybe in Chinese a different pronunciation, I think, but in Japanese, Renwunko. And so with Renwunko city and Sakai city in Osaka in Japan, and they have the good relationship with each other. Their children. すいません。Okay. So, and there are drains and the water goes around here. And in China, and people, especially the aristocrats or nobles, in the palace, imperial palace, like an imperial palace. What are they saying? And please take photo. Okay. So, and there are some drains, and at that time in China, and they were sitting, and they made some songs, and then water over there, water comes here, and people are sitting here, and sake cup were floated on the water, and then people are sitting here, and then sake so goes away. Before sake went away, so people had to make a song. People had to sing the song, and people had to drink sake. So a little bit different. So as I said before, this garden is a little bit different from ordinary Japanese garden. So I'm showing. So this is maybe, I've never been to China. Maybe the architecture was modeled after Chinese architecture. Okay. Seasonal flowers. And maybe in November around here, maybe they are preparing now. And chrysanthemum flowers are displayed. So there are many, especially the potted chrysanthemum trees, flowers are placed here. Okay. So I'm walking in China now. So we can enjoy. Because many years ago I visited, and at that time many times, but nowadays I've never come here. The flower grow in flower, yes, and some iris flowers. Oh, okay, the connection is okay. Yeah. So there are some bridges, and very beautiful. Maybe in the summertime, iris flowers are usually summertime, and we can enjoy. In November, yes, cosmos flowers. I remember I showed the cosmos flowers. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah. And Sakai city is a kind of international city. And as I said before, in the middle ages, 13, 14, 15, and there was a trade between China and Japan. And many envoys came to Sakai city. Because Sakai city is located along the ocean. now currently Osaka Bay. So compared with other city, our city, my city, Fujitera city, local area. And so my city doesn't have any ocean, but Sakai city has a port and had a port. The lighthouse still remain in the port even now. Okay, so beautiful here. Hello, Cici. Hello, Sylvia. Thank you. So because of the location and because of the geographic reason, yes, so peaceful. And Sakai city flourished. And then, so Sakai city was influenced by other countries. Okay. So many European people came and visited to the port. Okay, here. So this is the main place. Showing here. Maybe I'll stop here. So this is very beautiful from here. So you can see the tower. So that is Sakai Heiwanto, we say Heiwanto, Peace Tower. And maybe in the Kofun tour, I showed many times, monument. And so many people died, and not only here, but also many places, and also many countries, and during the war. And that is a monument to commemorate the dead people at the time. Yeah, so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going up here. Okay, yes, reflection, so pretty. And now not so many people. And today is Saturday, but not so many people here. So compared with Kyoto, but here is very quiet. Okay, so Sakai city was affected, and not atomic bomb, but so Osaka had a kind of the business district, and also Sakai city was near port. That's why everything was gone, Sakai city, during the war. And then, so there are many people who, so beautiful here. And you can see, so they are taking photos, such a lovely place. Yes, color, maybe they are changing the color soon. And orange color. And this place is between two main Kofuns. Kofuns are burial mound. And behind the tower, there is the third biggest in Japan. Third biggest Kofun. The Kofun is a burial mound for emperor. How big? Yes, I checked. It's 279,861 square feet. We enjoy chatting. So these colors are very beautiful. And behind the tower, and there is as I said, third biggest Kofun is located. And the other side and north area, there is the biggest Kofun is Chinese architecture, Chinese building. So said, 滑りやすいので it is sleepy. That's why stone. Yes, I hold a big stone here. So you can see this one. He's in school on Saturday. No, and they have a kids. Okay, hello, Stone. Thank you. Okay, oh, thank you very much. with you.